Good evening everyone. Today I will be discussing about the column to beam connections. The column to beam connections generally used in workshops, factories and other steel sectors. These most commonly in the beam to column connections used in steel structures. First we can see the modeling of the 3D modeling of the beam to column connections. First we can see the column. This is the column. The column is a compression member. The loads are acting at the top of the portion. This is the compression member of the column used in high section ISMB 500 at 86.49 kg per meter. This is the top flange. This is the bottom flange. The middle part it's called a thickness of the web. This is the web portion. This is connected between the this is the column to be connected beam. This is the right view of the column. Next, the south vertical isometric. We connected the beam with using ISMB 400 with cleat angles also provided to connect the beams and columns. This is the beam. This is also a section. We can connect it using the cleat angles. Using cleat angles, this is the block bolts. 4 numbers of 20 mm dia of the both the sides. This is the cleat angles. This is the size of the plate depend upon the pitch of the block bolts, and this is the thickness is generally 10 mm to 12 mm. This is the beam. This is the section. This is the bolts. This is the top. This is the top flange. This is the bottom flange. This is also connected in two sides using the block bolts. This is the column to beam connections. You can see the 3D modeling of this column to beam connections. You can see the top plan. This is the top plan of the this is the column. The blue color indicates the beam. Next we can see the front view. This is the front view of the column to beam connections. This is the beam. This is the column. This is the cleat angles to connect the column and beam using block bolts. Next we can see the southwest isometric. Finally we can see the northeast isometric. Okay, thank you.